/TV.
Theater is for more of the macabre.
Claire, you hear me? I know you're in there. You owe me 2 months' rent. Come on, get out here. You owe me. I've had it with you. I'm gonna throw your ass out. I'm tired of this shit.
Oh my.
What are you looking at? Get back in there before I crack you upside the head for rent too. Don't give me the same old sob story, Claire. There's plenty of old hags ready to rent this place. You hear me? There's millions of you in this city, and they gotta pay. Give me my money! Give me my money! Claire? Did you hear me? I hope you... Oh my God! My face!
All of the bitches on 50